Don't know how to clean your cast iron skillet? Guess what? You're not alone. I'm gonna walk you through the steps for cleaning your cast iron skillet, and spoiler alert, soap is okay. Hey, I'm Chef Chris, the culinary manager at Lodge Cast Iron. There's tons of misinformation online about cleaning cast iron, and we're gonna drill down to the absolute facts on what you need to do to take care of your cast iron skillet. To clean your dirty cast iron skillet, you're gonna start with warm soapy water, scrub it all the way down with either a stiff bristle brush or a scrub pad. We're gonna rinse it all the way off, make sure that there's no more soap on it. Then we're going to dry it completely, wipe it with a very thin layer of cooking oil, and that's gonna preserve your finish. My 3 favorite tools for cleaning cast iron cookware, I've got to start with my pan scraper. This is incredible at removing stuck-on debris. I really like the comfortability of the stiff bristle brush. This is a great tool for everyday cleaning. And then our everyday scrub cloth. This is my secret weapon in the kitchen. This gets into all the nooks and crannies and just does a fantastic job at cleaning up my cast iron skillet. If your grandmother told you not to use soap on her cast iron, it's because a long time ago, soap was a lot more abrasive. These days, it's gentle enough to wash ducklings, and if it's good enough for a duck, it's good enough for your skillet. If it's safe for your hands, it's safe for your pans. Regularly washing your cast iron skillet with soap can help prevent carbon buildup, which is that craggly stuff that builds up on the exterior of your skillet. It's very important to make sure that your skillet is completely dry after you wash it, because iron and water make rust, and we don't want any rust on our pan. I like to dry my cast iron skillet with paper towels. Some people use shop towels because they feel like it has less lint. I've seen other people use bandanas. As long as you're drying your skillet completely, then you're doing it right. I don't personally dry my skillet on the stovetop because I have been known to walk away and forget that my skillet was on the stove. Anytime I've ever done that, I've started setting timers in my kitchen so that I don't burn my seasoning away. When it comes to oiling my skillet, all I need is a very thin layer of oil to protect my finish. If you leave too much oil on your skillet, then it can become sticky, and we don't like sticky pans. After I've washed, dried, and oiled my skillet, there's no reason for me to put it back in the oven. I like to store my cast iron cookware either on the stovetop or in my oven. If I'm gonna store it for longer periods of time, like in my pantry or in my cabinets, I always take a piece of paper towel and lay it in the skillet. What that's gonna do is soak up any excess oil that I may have accidentally left on my pan. Also, if there's too much moisture in the air, it can absorb that. That way my pan doesn't get rusty. And that's how you clean your cast iron skillet. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for spending time with me today. I hope that you learned something about cast iron, and if you wanna keep going down this learning journey with us, please like and subscribe. Love you, bye.